Now, energy, or chi, is what connects mind to body. It's what connects your center of balance to your center of gravity. So it's just life force. When we're cultivating the life force, we're looking at using that as a listening tool. All information that's carried from your brain throughout your body is carried through your life force. Your life force is the conductor of information. It is the information pathway inside the nervous system. So if a person has an intention to throw a punch, it's first evident in the life force before it's evident in the nervous system. So the underlying intention travels through the life force. They're going to project a force, push, pull, any type of movement, that information is carried through the life force. So hearing through the life force to your partner's centre of gravity, it gives you information. The second thing it does is it separates centre of balance from centre of gravity. Because the mind is bound to the body through life force, that's what allows you to maintain your spirit's connection to the body. By breathing into that life force and being aware of it, you can create a slight separation, which allows you to take away the balance from your training partner. So all these exercises that we're doing with Qigong are for the development of that basic skill. Feeling this feeling in your hands, use that as a tuning fork to expand the feeling through your body, and then use that as a tuning fork to further feel it through your training partner's body. So that's the midpoint between center of balance and center of gravity. When you have the center of their life force field, you can generate separation. The push hands exercises are listening tools. They're to train this. Every time you uproot your partner or bounce your partner, you're doing it to show them that there's a point of tension they're holding inside your body, they're holding stress. Wherever there's a line of stress inside of a person's body, it's sort of like a wedge separating the mind and the body from each other, and you can use those lines of tension to uproot and bounce the training partners through them. With the push hands, you can verbally tell your partner, oh, you're holding tension in your shoulder, or you can put a bit of energy into it and go, can you feel that? And they'll feel the rise, and then they can soften it down. Whenever you soften, all you have to do is create energy awareness in that body part, and that body part will let go. So it's awareness of life force that generates relaxation. If you go, relax, you're doing it wrong, because then you're focusing on the body. And that makes an external mechanical model. Because we're training an internal mechanical model, we want to have energy or chi awareness to generate the effect in the body, which is relaxation and release. So we never actually relax. So every time I say relax, what I mean is energy awareness, permeate it through the point of tension, that just lets it go. You just make that happen.
Kind of like breathing through a point of pain.
You can use the breath, because breath accumulates life force, but your tuning fork of the energy in your hands we've been cultivating in the past, just activate that tuning fork. As soon as you're aware, the way the body supports itself changes. It moves from muscular contraction, holding tension, to tendon, to loose elastic type movement. So the whole nature of how the body moves shifts as the consciousness shifts from physical to internal. It's everything changes, and the mind can